Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to improve your English listening and speaking, this lesson is for you. Today we are going to learn English through a short story about daily routine. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. Also, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. This is the story of Ahmed. Ahmed is a very consistent student. He believes that success comes from discipline. Every day he follows the same routine. His morning routine starts at 6 a.m. He wakes up early, offers prayer, and then goes for a walk. After that, he drinks tea. This is his daily habit. He says, "Drinking tea helps me stay fresh and active." Ahmed always tries to stick to a routine. He has a clear schedule for his day. At 8 a.m., his classes begin. His school schedule is very organized, and he never arrives late. After school, he completes every task on time. Whether it is homework or helping at home, he stays focused. Sometimes, his life becomes boring because of his busy schedule. So on weekends, he goes out with friends or visits family to break the routine. Ahmed's grandfather is very similar. He wakes up at exactly 5 a.m. every day. Ahmed smiles and says, "My grandfather is a creature of habit." Now listen again, slowly. Ahmed follows a daily routine. His morning routine starts early. Drinking tea is his habit. He sticks to a routine every day. Sometimes he breaks the routine on weekends. Let's understand the important words. Routine, things you do regularly. Habit, something you do again and again without thinking. Schedule, a plan of your day with time. Task, a piece of work you must do. Consistent, doing something regularly without stopping. Now the useful phrases. Daily routine, your everyday activities. Stick to a routine, follow your routine strictly. Break the routine, change your normal activities. Busy schedule, a very full and busy day. Morning routine, what you do in the morning. Idiom, creature of habit. A person who likes doing the same things every day. Example, my grandfather is a creature of habit. Now listen to this lesson again and try to repeat the sentences. Practice daily. That's how you improve. Subscribe to the channel and share this video. See you in the next lesson.